A drone reveals the colossal Boeing factory, a symbol of immense scale and quiet anticipation.
The iconic Boeing logo emerges at dawn, reflecting technological prowess and brand reverence.
Data logs.
An AGV precisely maneuvers a massive carbon fiber fuselage section through the factory.
No anomalies detected. Flawless execution.
A massive fuselage section is carefully lowered into a temporary storage cradle by an overhead crane.
Conditions stable.
Secure it.
Affirmative. An AGV efficiently carries sorted components through the factory, highlighting seamless logistics.
Circuit integrity confirmed.
A robotic arm meticulously applies adhesive to a wing section, demonstrating unparalleled precision.
A massive wing section is hoisted by a crane, moving towards its primary assembly jig.
Perfect alignment.
Smooth as glass.
A laser cutting machine precisely trims carbon fiber, showcasing high-speed, advanced manufacturing.
Within tolerance.
A robotic gripper delicately picks a complex gear, showcasing micro-precision automation.
This sequence is critical.
Understood. Torque set.
Looks solid.
Another one secured.
Precision is paramount.
Specialists carefully attach a massive engine to the wing, a critical stage of aircraft assembly.
Just a touch left.
Torque confirmed.
Pressure holding steady.
Signal integrity nominal.
A high-angle view reveals the sophisticated cockpit, an advanced command center.
Another one in place.
Perfection in every detail.
Seal integrity verified.
All components secure.
The fully assembled Dreamliner emerges from the hangar onto the tarmac, a triumphant sight.
All panels secure.
Confirmed. Lead.
Systems check complete.
Massive engines roar to life during ground tests, showcasing immense power and controlled force.
A sensor array meticulously monitors engine performance, ensuring critical data acquisition.
Thrust parameters nominal.
The Dreamliner is slowly towed across the tarmac, a grand logistical movement.
Fuel line connected. Fueling progressing normally.
The Dreamliner performs a high-speed taxi test, showcasing exhilarating power and controlled speed.
Maintaining center line.
Aircraft tires kick up dust during braking, showcasing controlled power and impressive stopping.
Pod secured. Wiring.
Wiring connected.
Secure for flight.
Ready for pushback.
Confirmed, is.
The Dreamliner begins its takeoff roll, accelerating with immense power, ready for flight.
The main landing gear retracts smoothly into the wing bay, showcasing mechanical grace and aerodynamic efficiency. The Dreamliner gracefully ascends, a pristine white against the vast blue sky, a majestic sight.
Altitude and speed stable.
A digital flight recorder continuously streams and stores vital data, ensuring critical information storage.
The Dreamliner makes a graceful, low pass over the airfield, showcasing its impressive aerodynamic form. The landing gear extends smoothly from the wing bay, preparing for a precise, controlled descent.
The Dreamliner touches down gracefully, marking the successful completion of flight tests.
Another successful flight.
Hello, what up, Vice Force? Excellent work, Captain.
Data retrieved.
Performance exceeded expectations. Remarkable efficiency.
Perfect finish.
Panel secured.
A robotic arm meticulously polishes the aircraft exterior, achieving mirror-like perfection.
Brand complete.
The fully branded Dreamliner rolls out into brilliant sunlight, a grand reveal of the finished product.
The Dreamliner's gleaming underbelly showcases its powerful engines and intricate landing gear.
The Dreamliner's distinctive raked wingtip gleams, showcasing aerodynamic elegance and modern design.
Truly magnificent. Truly magnificent.
Dreamliner is prepared for its ferry flight amidst bustling activity and final preparations.
Pressure optimal.
Clear for pushback.
Taxi power set.
The Dreamliner taxis towards the runway, its navigation lights blinking, a majestic presence.
The cockpit's primary flight display shows a clear runway graphic, indicating digital precision.
The Dreamliner lifts off the runway, a triumphant symbol of grace and power.
Auto throttle engaged.
The passenger cabin stands empty. Pristine rows of seats, anticipating future passengers.
The Dreamliner's dimmable window smoothly transitions from clear to opaque, a technological wonder.
Cabin ready for boarding. 11.
Course correction initiated.
From the cockpit, a stunning sunset unfolds over clouds, a serene and breathtaking privilege.
The aircraft's wing, with blinking navigation lights, cuts through the twilight sky.
The Dreamliner descends towards a brightly lit city at night, connecting distant places.
The cockpit's altimeter rapidly decreases, indicating intense focus and precise altitude control.
Aligning final approach.
The Dreamliner's landing lights illuminate the runway, signaling intense anticipation before touchdown.
The Dreamliner touches down at night, a dramatic arrival with controlled precision.
Slow to a stop.
Load sequence confirmed. We're clear on the forward hold. Fueling, standby for green light. ETA on catering.
Thumbs up to the driver. All right, team, we are green on the forward hold. Start the sequence.
Excited for this trip. Welcome to first class. We hope you enjoy the flight. You'll find your seat just down the aisle.
Plenty of space.
Plenty of space.
Great selection.
Place the vest over your head and secure the strap tightly. To inflate, simply pull the red tabs. The light automatically activates in water.
Cargo secured.
The Dreamliner accelerates for night takeoff, its powerful lights illuminating at a dramatic departure.
The Dreamliner's silhouette rises against moonlit clouds, a majestic ascent into the night.
So peaceful. Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Thank you.
The Dreamliner's anti-collision light flashes through a starry night, an epic journey through cosmos.
All systems green.
Almost ready. All restful. Me too.
The cockpit's weather radar displays clear skies ahead, ensuring safe navigation.
The Dreamliner flies over a vast ocean at dawn, a breathtaking scene of global reach.
Look how bright it is outside now.
It looks wonderful. I can't wait to arrive.
simply beautiful.
Finished already?
It was fully delicious.
It was delicious.
Initiating descent profile.
The Dreamliner descends through clear blue skies towards a coastal city, a beautiful arrival highlighting global reach.
The landing gear extends smoothly, preparing for a precise, controlled descent to the airport.
Clear to land.
The Dreamliner touches down gracefully, a triumphant arrival with controlled precision.
The jet bridge extends to connect with the aircraft, a seamless link for passenger transfer.
Smooth flight.
Thank you for flying. There it is. Welcome home. It's good to be back.
The Boeing 787 Dreamliner soars majestically through a clear blue sky, a symbol of modern aviation.
A stylized graphic of the Dreamliner highlights its innovative design and key features. The gleaming Boeing logo, a symbol of brand prestige and enduring legacy.
The future of flight.
The Dreamliner soars into the sunset, a powerful, aspirational symbol of flight's enduring legacy.